Have you ever thought about growing fresh fruit inside your home? Welcome to the wonderful world of indoor citrus trees. These vibrant plants offer the joy of nurturing, improved air quality, and the delightful prospect of fresh fruit at your fingertips. Imagine plucking a fresh lemon from your own indoor tree. First, choosing the right citrus tree for your space is crucial. From dwarf lemon to calamandan orange, there's a variety to suit every home. Consider your available space, light, and humidity levels to ensure a happy, healthy tree. Once you've chosen your tree, the fun part begins. It's time to get your hands dirty and plant your tree. Begin by choosing a pot that's twice as wide as your tree's root ball. A well-draining pot is essential to prevent waterlogged roots. Fill the pot with a good quality potting mix, preferably one that is slightly acidic. Place the tree in the center, then fill in around the roots with more soil. Water thoroughly after planting. Remember, your tree loves sunlight and consistent watering. With proper care, you'll see your tree thrive and bloom in no time. A healthy tree requires ongoing care, so let's make sure we're doing everything right. Regular watering, feeding, and pruning are essential to keep our indoor citrus tree thriving. Be observant for signs of growth. They tell you your tree is happy. And when can you expect the first fruits? Well, patience is key here. It can take anywhere from 3 to 6 years for your tree to bear fruit. And there you have it, your very own indoor citrus tree ready to bear fruit. Growing an indoor citrus tree is a rewarding experience. Remember, it's all about choosing the right tree, planting it with care, nurturing it, and providing ongoing care until you get to enjoy the joy of harvesting your own fresh fruit. Imagine biting into a juicy lemon or orange that you've grown yourself. If you've enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.